Subscribers everyone is very good evening. So we will see today for Nifty Bank Nifty levels. I will delete for this everything. I will just one second. I will clear range. Will change it the chart for monthly time frame. I think okay. So go to last candle high mentioned to higher high 26,333. Okay, this is all time high. Next we will change to weekly chart. You will put retestment, so low high, higher low. Retest market near already retest in the market. Okay, 0.618. Okay, 25,715. So market already retest it. So market breaking for these levels means market will be reaching 1.618, 24,000 near market. Otherwise we don't have small support will be there this point only 25,300. Okay, this range we right now seeing for retestment. We will see for next target. Okay, day chart. So you go to mention to high. So low, high. So 1.6 unit after breaking for these levels, market will be expecting for 1.6 unit. So 25,000 10 near. Okay, 25,510. This is for target levels. You have once you will check it market time in the our channel. Once again I will take it our channel through channel. Okay, after you will open channel, just visit videos. Okay, you have one day we will be not receiving the video. This video 9 to 9 Tamil video and English video will be there. This is I will put only for subscribers only. This video will be the you will see it, community will be there this video. Okay, you don't receive videos or anything means you have the video in community. Okay, community, otherwise you will check it the charts. You have the charts. Okay, we will make it only for you go to first we will check it something in the video. Otherwise here don't there video means I will update in shorts, otherwise community. Okay, so 1.69 will be the target. Okay, uh, this is for Nifty view. We will check it Bank Nifty monthly chart. 60121. Okay, this is high monthly chart view. So after we will go to check weekly. So we will draw it every low, connect it for every low. Okay, after breaking for these levels, market will be trading for around last 4 weeks for this zone only. 58,000 to 60,000 near market trading around last 4 weeks, last 1 month. So this level and trend line will be noted. After we will go to check it the day chart. So here you go and take the higher time frame. And you will put it for this level low and mention it this high. Okay, after breaking for these levels means market came to 1.6 57,581. Okay, break it. First we will mention it this low. We need to expect to break for 58,780. Okay, after only breaking these levels, market come to nearest 58,162. After breaking these levels means 57,851. This is the target. Okay, Nifty Bank Nifty levels. This is the target for tomorrow trading section. Maximum this week or tomorrow. Okay, I will update to shorts videos also. I will see for investment journey and intraday targeting level index trading levels. I will update soon stocks, some stocks. Okay, otherwise we will update to weekly ones or 2 or 3 days once for crude oil. We will see for this is for Indian trading. NSE we have the three will be there, two will be there. One is Bombay Stock Exchange. This is old one. This is already removed. I think some stocks only trading for Bombay Stock Exchange. We have the NSE National Stock Exchange. This is for in banking and Nifty 50 companies. Okay, top 50 companies. Otherwise, you will go and search for NSE and Bombay Stock Exchange. So otherwise, other one will there means MCX commodities. This is you will see. I will update for crude oil today last week. I will update for some other stocks in M6 commodity stocks. We'll check it for, we'll see for soon. Okay, so you will like it for this video means don't forget to like and subscribe, share to friends. Thank you.